Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and of course you are in Ada space. So you guys, I know it's been ages, it's been so long, but yeah, I am finally back. I'm back, don't mind me. Yeah, I'll definitely be posting more often. I'm trying to stay consistent throughout the rest of the year and also for next year going forward. So if you're new on here, my name is Ada. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well. So today we are going to be cleaning, and yes, you read right, 30 weeks pregnancy clean with me video. Yeah, we are having a baby, and yes, so yeah, I don't even know what else to say, but yeah, we popped up. I popped back up here with the baby. That's all I can say. Okay. So you guys, I am cleaning up. The house is a mess. You can imagine how tired I am always, like I've always been, and it's just I don't feel, sometimes I just don't feel like doing anything. I just want to eat and sleep. Okay, this thing is hard. So that's why I have not been posting more content always. But if you've been looking closely, you actually notice that most of, so like the last videos I've been posting, you actually notice the bump there. But you know, I guess nobody wanted to say something, and I'm actually happy nobody said something, because people kind of like respected my privacy and everything. So you guys are the OGs. Yeah, thank you. So now we are doing a clean with me. Honestly, some days I don't want to do anything, and some days I'm just like, but today my house is in such a mess that I just had to clean. Look at my couch, everywhere is just so messy, and of course we had to do this cleaning. So you guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to leave a comment, as this kind of like pushes my channel out there. I'm trying to grow this channel, so yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm doing kind of like a thorough cleaning, because I have not cleaned the house in a while. So I decided to do more like a deep cleaning kind of thing. So pushing out the couch. That couch is really not heavy, like it's so light, and I don't understand how this couch is light and comfortable, so comfortable at the same time. But yeah, I love that couch so much. So I'm cleaning out everywhere. We're doing like more like a deep clean, you know, cleaning out everything. You can see Olivia helping me out, my little helper. She's always helping me out. She's such a sweet girl. And of course, Jovan trying to help out as well. He's trying his best, I guess. So if your house is looking just like this, you better get up and start cleaning with me. Like, what's your excuse at this point? Get up. I hope you get the motivation and the strength. Get up and let's do this cleaning. Let us clean. Okay? Get up. So yeah, I guess I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is more like very, these windows were so dirty. I don't even understand from what. I think it's Joanne pouring something on it or something. The house was just in a mess on this day. I had to clean everything. Like you can imagine, look at all that dirt. You can imagine how dirty this house was. It was so messy. Like now when I'm doing this voiceover, I'm looking at it like, man. So you guys, I hope you guys are excited. I will be uploading more videos. You guys are about to see some of my pregnancy content, clothing hauls, like my maternity clothing hauls and all of that. So you guys stay tuned because it's about to be lit, lit, lit. I'm about to get, upload more content, more pregnancy related content while I'm pregnant and all of that. So yeah, and I'm really excited for it. This is the first time I'm actually kind of like, posting any content about pregnancy, my pregnancy and all of that. I usually just kind of like go mute for throughout the 9 months and I just pop up with a baby and that's it. So because I don't even have the strength for all of that, but I'm really excited for this one because I'll be doing it. So yeah, I'm excited. helped out in fixing up their room. That's what I always get them to do, so that it will be easier for all of us, and they learn how to clean up, and they learn not to mess it up all the time because it's difficult to clean. So yeah, they always help out when it comes to their room. I make sure they help out, and then I do the rest of the work and vacuum, all the things that they can't really do. I help them out to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is the outcome. Look at how clean the house is looking. Everywhere is sparkling and we are happy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. Don't forget to share this video. Most importantly, peace. Yeah, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any video suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that. Thank you guys so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.